us what you're doing, honey.
Truck bed lining my trailer. With Rust-Oleum bed liner. And a Walmart $23 spray gun. That looks nice. What's up, YouTube? Pretty much bed lined my car trailer. This is just one coat, and it is actually really thick. I'm surprised. All you gotta do is, all I did was just sweep it out. You're supposed to sand it down and everything, but we just swept it out, air gunned it out, made sure all the dirt and debris was out of the way. And I'm sure probably got some video of what it looked like while I was covering it. It wasn't bad, it was just a little rusted colored. I just wanted to protect it, give it a little grip, make it last longer. So this is the first coat. Bought a gallon of the Rust-Oleum truck bed liner from Walmart. $43, and there's the first coat took a little more than half a gallon, but as you can tell, I lost a little. First time ever doing this. I always wondered if you could spray bed liner through air gun, and this is a $23 air gun from Walmart, and as you can tell, it works. I mean, if I open this can up, it's pretty much empty. All the like rubbery hard material actually shoots out of the gun. So there you have it. You can spray with a $23 Walmart air gun, and it works good. And I'm just using this little 3.5 horsepower compressor, and the box says don't spray more than 40 psi, 50 psi, but I'm spraying like 90. It's not affecting the gun at all. So as you can tell, I mean, hopefully it shows up good in the video, but apologize, I'm using the iPhone 7 Plus right now. The GoPro's in the house, but actually it's probably been like what, 3-4 minutes, and look, I can already touch it. It's already drying. So all right, we'll pause this, and so we're gonna let this cook for a little bit, and then we'll add probably just one more coat, and we'll be done. So I'll let you know what it looks like. All right, and we're back. See another coat. Clean this off. Yeah, I'm doing it faster because apparently a gallon's not enough. So try to figure this out. Probably go buy another quart. Alright, so a gallon didn't cover the whole trailer. It did one coat and then did the second coat, and as you saw, I was speeding real fast. So we're gonna clean out the gun with paint thinner, and then we're gonna go to town and get probably 2 quarts. If it's cheaper to get another gallon, we'll just say heck with it and throw another gallon on there. You know, thicker the better, in my opinion. So clean out the gun. Can you tell it's brand new? Hey. Anyways, clean out the gun. Just put some paint thinner in there. Close it up. Stick it up real good. Then you just run it through. As you can see, but all these chunks of rubber just flew up out of there. But you definitely don't want truck bed coating inside your gun. Yeah, look at that. I don't know, probably didn't get it before, but it was, you probably saw it was completely covered. Oh, look at this. Here, check this out. So, that's what paint thinner does right there. And now the inside of the can is completely clean. So, alright YouTube, we're back. As you can tell, we got a gallon again. Apparently a quart is $16.73 a quart. So 2 quarts is 30 bucks. It doesn't really make sense to spend that when a gallon is $43. So might as well just use a couple quarts and just seal this up and put it on a shelf. Not gonna bore you with more spraying. So when I'm done, we'll the next clip will be the finished product of the trailer over there. And I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Until then, let me go finish this up. Alright guys, we're finally finished. It took a gallon and a half, plus all that spillage over there. When it's a full gallon, you can't dump it, it just goes all over the place. Anyways, this is how it looks. I'm real happy with it. Again, you can do it with a gallon for 43 bucks, but I just wanted it thicker. So for like 65, 70 bucks, you can get yourself a gallon of bed liner and a $23 Walmart spray gun. And you saw in the videos it works pretty good. I don't know why people would spend $200, $300, $400 to have it bed lined, even a trailer or a truck bed. So, but I just finished like 5 minutes ago, and I can already touch it. So But it's Arizona. It's 105 degrees outside. That's why I'm sweating so much. It's hot. It says sit for 1 or 2 hours. 5 minutes in Arizona is all you need. Alright guys, so that was I think that was a good video for deadlining and stuff. You guys are probably wondering, this is a 1974 Chevrolet 3/4 ton 4x4 Suburban. This is my 1966 Chevrolet Impala. As you can tell, I'm rebuilding it. I'm pretty much making it into a drag car, pretty much barely street legal. It'll be legal with street tires on it, you know. All the fenders and stuff are inside the garage. You probably saw pictures of it sneaking around in the back there. But she's sitting on 16-inch rims, 35-inch tall tires, 12.5 inches wide. You see a lot of videos of this on YouTube. I'm gonna do a lot to this. We're gonna have a lot of videos on Impala where she's getting a big block. That's all I'm gonna say. She's getting a big block and a new transmission. But the interior, I've had this car since I was 15, 16 years old. It's dirty. It's been sitting for a long time. The back seat's original. But she's gonna be a heavy drag car, since all the new people out there are racing plastic cars. Anyways, I had to say that. I think I'm gonna bedline this whole truck here. Thinking about it. But so I've owned that car for 15 years, 16 years, something like that. I've had it since I was 15 years old, so never getting rid of her. But there'll be a lot of videos on both of these coming up once it's not 105 degrees outside. It's just deadly out. Yeah. And what you guys wondering, this kind of stuff I do. We got some real nice leather bucket seats in here, all new carpeting, and I guess a future video we are going to install these 2015 Chevrolet Suburban leather seats. They were brand new, taken out of a company vehicle. They've never been used, so we just got to drill some holes and bolt them in. So that'll be I think that'll be a good video. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video good to watch. If you like it, please hit the like button, share my videos, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. You guys have a good day.